The Straight Path presents how to remove a hickey instantly. Removing a hickey instantly can be challenging, as it typically takes time for the bruise to heal naturally. However, here are 10 methods you can try to reduce the appearance of a hickey quickly. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress or ice pack to the hickey can help reduce swelling and constrict blood vessels, which may lessen the appearance of the bruise. Warm compress after 48 hours. After the first 48 hours, switching to a warm compress can help increase blood circulation, which may speed up the healing process. Arnica cream or gel. Arnica is a natural remedy known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Applying arnica cream or gel to the hickey may help reduce swelling and discoloration. Concealer makeup. Using a concealer that matches your skin tone can help cover up the hickey temporarily, making it less noticeable. Massage. Gently massaging the area around the hickey may help break up blood clots and promote faster healing. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid further irritation. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has a cooling effect and may help stimulate blood flow, which could aid in healing the hickey faster. Dilute the oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Apply aloe vera gel to the hickey several times a day. Toothpaste. Some people claim that applying toothpaste to the hickey can help reduce its appearance due to its cooling effect. However, be cautious, as toothpaste may irritate the skin. Banana peel. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on the hickey may help reduce inflammation and promote healing. The enzymes and antioxidants in the peel could aid in the recovery process. Vitamin K cream. Vitamin K is believed to help reduce bruising and promote healing. Applying a cream or serum containing vitamin K to the hickey may help fade it faster. While these methods may help reduce the appearance of a hickey, it's essential to remember that everyone's skin reacts differently, and results may vary. Additionally, some of these methods may not provide instant results, but they can help speed up the healing process over time. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.